1983 was the year. 75 crore Indians and a dream of winning the World Cup. And Kapil Dev with his army brought home victory and became a legend forever. Since then, the Indian cricket team has been through a lots of ups and downs. Hey guys, what's up? This is Himanshu, and in this video I'll be talking about Indian cricketing legends, and from each one of them we'll try to learn one important life trait. Even if you're not a cricketer or a cricket fan, make sure to watch this video till the end, because I guess this video is not just about cricket. This video is more about life. The first legend on our list is Mr. Sourav Ganguly. If you're not someone who's that much into cricket, or especially Indian cricket, you might not know this, but Sourav Ganguly was appointed as the captain of Indian cricket team in the year 2002. And before that, Indian cricket team was going through a darker phase, low performances, inter disputes, and a lot of other things. Then at that point of time came in Dada, Sourav Ganguly, and he taught me something very important, that is team formation. He brought into the team some very good players like Sehwag, Sachin, MS Dhoni, about whom I'll be talking a few minutes later in this video. But he basically made a team which had the potential to achieve milestones and just give new directions to the Indian cricket community. Just like Dada, you need to realize that if you want to achieve something big and create history, you need to be surrounded by some top quality people along with whom you can move forward and create dominance. Number 2 on the list is the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar taught me something very important about life, that is fitness. When I was a kid, I thought of fitness as something where you have to grow some massive 20-inch biceps and 40-inch chest. But then there is this man who's serving 24 years of his life in such a hard and great profession, going through some big injuries but coming back even bigger. People often look up to Sachin for his milestone, his centuries, his batting skills, but most of them basically don't give much attention to what was the thing that kept him going for such a long time and spreading happiness amongst a country of about 1.4 billion population. So here's the lesson I learned from the legend Sachin Tendulkar, which I guess you should learn too. If you want to achieve something big in life, definitely work hard for it, work as hard as you can, but make sure to give at least some time of your day to your fitness thing. Not only fitness at your physical level, but also at your mental level, so that when your body fails, your brain basically pushes you forward to go for something more. Next up, number 3 on our list is the Captain Cool, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I guess one of the most successful captains ever. 2 World Cups, 1 ICC Champions Trophy, and a lot more. What made him such great of a captain? What was the reason he pulled off a match to victory even from the darkest situations? I guess it's mainly because of something called decision making according to the situation. Dhoni is known to be the person who never loses his cool. Even at the toughest situations, he got that big brain working to find solutions to get out of that. Now, how do you implement this into your own life? The only way to take better decisions is to understand everything very thoroughly. Invest time in things that matter, either it be business, love life, or your studies. There will be times when you don't perform well. Mark up things. Why didn't it go well? Where did you go wrong? If required, even write down things on a notepad. What this will result in, the next time you get stuck in the same situations, you will at least have a very basic idea to get out of that, which will be basically a result of your improvised decision making skills. Remember, Dhoni didn't become the greatest captain at day 1. He also faced losses, he also went through dark times, but he learned from all of those, which is exactly why he is what he is.
Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup. After 28 years, the parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching till here. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and share it to your friends who you think are in need of this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, love you all. Bye.